Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan egg yolk only easy method. Separate yolks gently, strain to remove chalaza and bubbles, then whisk with condensed milk, evaporated milk, and warm vanilla. Pour through a fine sieve into a caramel-lined mold, cover with foil, and steam or bake in a water bath until set. Cool fully, chill, loosen edges, and invert to reveal a deliciously silky, rich flan. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results and texture. Separate yolks in a clean bowl and strain them to remove any membrane or chalaza for smooth custard. Gently whisk yolks with condensed and evaporated milk plus a splash of vanilla, avoiding excessive froth. Prepare caramel by heating sugar slowly until amber, then pour into the mold and tilt to coat evenly before adding the custard mixture and covering for steaming or baking. Keep the cooking gentle to maintain a silky custard texture. High heat causes bubbles and graininess. If steaming, maintain a low simmer and avoid rapid boiling that splashes water into the mold. If baking, use a water bath and a moderate oven temperature to ensure even set without overcooking edges. After cooking, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate several hours for best slicing and flavor development before unmolding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.